Uh, Off. Brakes ready now. Rolling. Let's do smoke roll. For the first one.
Do you want to just
Smoke
stick
on, ready now, because we haven't practiced mirror pass in
Yeah, let's just stick with what we
a
practiced.
little pull. Coming up. Stand by the gear. Gear. Flaps. And leveling out. American Charge 7 team, line up for break. Viper.
Click.
50-degree turn. Ready. Hit it. And pull. Keeps altitude 1000.
Click.
Rolling out. No. Smoke off. Ready now. Coming right. Bringing power down 90. Actually, 95.
Click. Click inbound.
Rolling out now. Okay. Coming right. Coming further right. Okay.
4 more minutes.
Well, is it 6 minutes? Like, does the time start from, like, what with the startup and everything? Really?
I think the time should start from where we park.
Wow.
I think the time should start from when we park.
Well, ask about that.
We'll do.
Lining up for smoke roll. So then it should be Viper.
Hey guys, we got
A
traffic.
little more pull. Doesn't matter. And more pull. Rolling out now. Smoke on. Ready now. Okay. Ready. Hit it. Smoke off. Ready now. Coming right. Coming Coming further right. A little pull. Ooh, okay. Little less pull. Rolling out now. Ooh, okay.
Sorry.
Yeah, really nice.
And you'll get
I
better.
think I think instead of smoke cart, we should just do the like a flyby or something.
Your choice. Your lead.
Hmm. Anyway, coming right. We'll do smoke cart. Coming further right. A little pull. Ooh, okay. A little more pull. A little less pull. Little to the left. Okay. Little more to the right. And little pull. America starts Emma team line up for smoke cart. Viper.
Lit.
Rolling out now. Okay. Smoke on, ready now. Power full power. Coming up. A little pull. Coming further up now. Okay.
The time at now.
And hit it. So from that's like 6 minutes right now from if we departed. Yeah, smoke off now. Power going back down to 95. Coming right. How was that heart?
I'm looking at it now. That looks nice. It looks like a heart on my end.
Anyway, coming right.
Anyway, that'll do. So we're doing a break next to land.
Mm-hmm.
We need to add in more maneuvers. We're gonna try and find time.
Yeah. Went further right. I don't get is how, like, other big teams like if the FSX Blue Angels or the FSX Thunderbirds or the ZXG, their demos are a lot longer than 10 minutes.
Well,
To what? What are you talking? I'm talking about like their demos are longer than 10 minutes. No, I'm talking about how they video longer than 10 minutes.
their displays are way longer than ours.
Yes, I'm saying.
Well, really, theirs is about half an hour to 40 minutes.
Power 90%. Rolling out now. Okay. Your information?
Almost. Put some spoilers on. 0.5.
Power 90%, remember? I don't see you information. Smoke on, ready now. Oh yeah, you're too low. But you're supposed to get in left wing. Rip.
That's fine. Fine, play it.
It'll do. Ready, break. Smoke off.